Hello student, I am your computer teacher Monica Seni, going to teach you lesson 1 of your computer book. The lesson 1 is a computer system. We have learned about computer in your last class. You have done paint, you have used various hardware devices. So you now know that computer is a very useful machine. We use it in almost everything. So in your last class you have read it. Where do you use your computers? Your computers are used in offices, hospitals, in designing, in banks, automated movies, airports, defenses, and spacecrafts. Students, computer works with two parts, hardware and software. What is a hardware? All the physical parts of computer that you can see, touch are called hardware. Like monitor, you can see a monitor, you can touch it, it's a hardware. Keyboard, mouse, these all are hardware. And we will discuss about software part later on. Let's discuss these hardware parts in detail. The main part of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, right? When you go into the lab, you see these four things: a monitor, a CPU, a keyboard, and a mouse. So let's discuss about monitors first. Monitors look like TV screen. There are three types of monitor: CRT, LCD, and LED. CRT means cathode ray tube. These are the older type of monitors. They are bigger in size and they consume more power. Then comes the LCD, means liquid crystal display. This monitor has a flat type of screen and they consume less power compared to the CRT monitor. Then the latest edition is LED, means light emitting diode. These monitors have better display, they consume less power than LCD, and these are lighter than LCD. Then comes CPU. We all say that CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU means Central Processing Unit. It processes all the instructions which are given to a computer. It is made up of three parts: MU, CU, and ALU. MU stands for memory unit, CU stands for control unit, ALU stands for arithmetic and logic unit. These three parts work together to make the CPU give you a meaningful result. MU means memory unit. It stores all the data and instructions into it that need to be processed by control unit or the arithmetic and logic unit. Then what does a control unit do? Control unit act like a policeman, like it controls the traffic. Similarly, control unit controls the various parts of the computer. And arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit performs all the calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all those greater than, less than, all these things. Then comes keyboard. How do we enter data and instruction into the computer? With the help of a keyboard. So this is very important that a standard keyboard has 104 keys in it, and it is divided into many groups based upon its functions. So the first group is typing or alphanumeric keys. These yellow colored keys are alphanumeric keys. These alphanumeric keys consist of A to Z characters, special symbols, question mark, plus minus, space bar, and tab keys. Then come the control keys. These red colored keys are your control keys. They either work alone or with the combination of other keys to perform some action like escape key, control, window, alt. Then come function key. Function keys perform specific functions. They are at the top of the keyboard. They are from F1 to F12 and they perform specific function in different application. Then comes the navigation keys. The keys here in green color are navigation keys. It includes different keys like arrow keys to move cursor up and down, home key to move the cursor to the beginning of line, end key to move the cursor to the end of the line, page up and page down to move the cursor or the page up by one screen or down by one screen, delete key to erase any character, and insert key to turn the insert mode on and off. Then comes a mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is connected to CPU with a cable. It usually have two buttons. It is a pointing device. It helps us to draw pictures. And as we move our hand with the mouse, it moves the pointer. Children, there are other hardware devices also like touchscreen scanners, etc. and we will discuss them in our next class. Thank you.